Hey, good morning, everybody. I hope you're well. It is 7:15 in the United Kingdom on the 1st of April, April Fool's, no, 1st of May, sorry, 1st of May, May Day. All right, what we got? Well, we've got more choppy nonsense, haven't we? So I've got a couple of ideas. I'll go through my premium idea, what I believe is happening at the moment, and then two ideas which look either side. So this is my main idea. Let me put my trades on. Here we go. So this is my main idea here on the 15-minute. Let's just very quickly, let me just quickly remind everybody that our overall idea is that we've got 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5. Okay. And we're looking for the fourth wave to come down to somewhere around the 0.5 in this box here. That's the minimum, the 236. So it's done its minimum target, right? It could right now just go up. I don't think that's what's happening because looking at the structures internally. Okay, so if we get back down to the 15-minute and we have a look, so this is my main play, and the discussion is, is this completed? Is it finished? I don't think it is. Okay, but effectively we're looking for 0.9886, the red box, and we're looking for this C wave to complete. Do you know, actually, it may not even be a C wave. This might be a WXY. This might be something like that instead. I don't know. I guess it could be. The problem with this is this. Well, what I do believe it's not is motive, and it's because we have this. And if you're going to put that as a 1 and that's a 2, then that we're in our 3, and our 3 needs to be a more of an exciting impulsive wave like it is here. I don't see this as a bunch of 1-2s because it's all too overlapping, and we break this low here. All right, so more than likely I think we come up, we take this high out here, take the Asia high out, come into the 0.9, and we look to come down into here. That's what I'd like to see. It's Friday, it's the 1st of May. They always say sell in May. So that's quite possibly an idea we could look at. And it would give us an opportunity to then look at our lower levels of here and here. All right, so that's my main idea. It's the one I'd like to see happen. More corrective nonsense. This. So basically, what happens is we keep ranging. Oh, God, we keep ranging in between these poor lows and this poor high. Real simple. Okay, and this is a wave 4, so it can do this all. It can do this all day, and we either turn here or it turns here, comes down for a bit, probably doesn't take out, probably comes out, takes this wave B low out, and then it goes back up again. And we look to short what would be the 0.9886 zone of this structure here. Not my favorite idea, but given that we're at the weekend, given that we have no news today, we got some PMI from the US, but I don't think it's going to really shift the noodle. Oil is going to go up, and oil is going to take out these highs here. The Strait of Hormuz is still closed, and it's still affecting markets, and we're still getting chop. And we're getting chopped because of Donald Trump. So you can thank the idiot that is Donald Trump. Congratulations. So really, that's what I'm looking at. Now, we have to also consider, which path was it? Not that one. This one. I put this up yesterday, and basically we're looking at this being some kind of motive wave. It's ugly and it's very messy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 3 back, and away we go. I'm not going to put the green box in again because we've had it in all week and nothing's happened. So I don't see us going up, coming down, and then doing that today. Just because there's no news. So I would expect us to come up to here and then just start to dribble down. Maybe get some excitement if we take out these lows, but who knows? So those are my main options, my main 3 options. So option 1, which is my favorite, is this. Option 2, not my least favorite, but I don't particularly want to see this continue the range again, but it might do, would be to look at a short up here somewhere, and we'll have to wait for it to get there to have a look at that. There's a gap up here. And then the last option, which I don't have much on there, is that this is going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and whatever, and away we go. Again, more data needed for that. That I think is the least likely because I just don't like this concoction here. Yeah. As I said, I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if that's a 1, 2, 3, this concoction looks overlappy and just looks like a bit of a mess. In fact, let's have a quick dive in. Get on 6 minute. Have a look. Yeah, look at that nonsense. So, cheapest, don't you hate it? I hate trading view. This is just to give you. This looks like 5. What have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've come down for 3. Then I've come up for 3, and then I've come down for 3, and I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess you could. I guess that could be your connector. Okay, maybe I take that back. So this is messy, but I've got structure there. I then got a structure here, and I got a structure here. So that would be my wave 2. But this has come up very high, if I'm honest with you. I did say yesterday that we take out these top highs here, and we did. So I don't like that idea. I just don't like the structure. So let's look at this. What's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Let's take that out. Get that done. London, get this done for us, please. Thank you very much. And then we can look at shorting this. And validation, nice and simple, right there. Okay. So if we get above there, then bets are off, and we can all go home. So it's a nice that this trade, which is this one here, this is a cheap trade if we're wrong. All right, so primary idea is still this, secondary is this, third is this, into here and up. Those are the 3 choices. We are in corrective territory. However, I guess the one thing I would like to say is that I do think we're going to come up and take out 80,000, maybe 84. So that is that's the kind of, I guess I'm more confident of this than I am of this, actually, if I'm honest with you. And I can just quickly, you see, if this was finishing now, then our wave 5 would probably only come into here, and it's very Tucker small compared with wave 1. which is here. If I look at, if we just look at the, oh, actually, maybe it's not. Oh, maybe this is what I've not been looking at, people. Yeah. Okay, well, unfortunately, it's a wait and see situation at the moment. So yeah, so that would be my, so if I'm not going to do anything and I'm just going to sit on my hands, then I'm waiting for one of these levels up here. Okay. Because this isn't, we're not doing this from here. This is not a structure. Okay, this is overlappy nonsense. We've got a double top. We keep coming back through. We keep coming back through. So this is not overlap. This is not dropping off the cliff from here. And this 1-2 doesn't work because we don't like the fact that the second 1-2 is way bigger. Well, not way bigger, but it is twice the size as the previous. When you see these, 11 minutes, I'm sorry, guys. When you see these, that's a 1-2. You want this second, what would be a 1-2, to be smaller. And at the moment, this is twice the size. So I think we can discount that. All right, that's your lot. Okay, I'm in the Discord. Enjoy your day. Bye.